I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 versus other 1,000 horsepower vehicles. We'll explore its incredible performance, starting with its impressive acceleration. The SF90 can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.5 seconds, showcasing its raw power. Its top speed of 211 miles per hour also highlights its engineering prowess, making it a true hypercar contender. The SF90 Heart is a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine, working in harmony with 3 electric motors. This sophisticated hybrid setup not only boosts overall power to 1,000 metric horsepower, but also delivers instant torque for exhilarating response. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures that this immense power is effectively put to the road, providing exceptional grip and stability in various driving conditions. The Ferrari SF90 design is a masterclass in form-meeting function, with every curve sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency. Active aerodynamic components dynamically adjust to maximize downforce and minimize drag, ensuring optimal performance whether on the track or road. This purposeful design not only looks stunning, but also contributes significantly to the car's stability and handling at high speeds, truly embodying its hypercar status. Driving the SF90 is an unforgettable experience, blending raw power with refined control. Its advanced chassis and suspension systems deliver incredibly precise handling, making every turn feel intuitive and exhilarating. Whether on a winding road or a challenging track, the SF90 responds with remarkable agility and confidence. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.